If your GoPro is not charging, don't worry. In this video, we'll go through the most effective solutions to help you get your GoPro charging again. Step 1. Check the cable and adapter. A faulty USB-C cable or charger is one of the most common reasons a GoPro won't charge. Inspect the cable for damage and try a different, high-quality USB-C cable if available. Also use a wall adapter that provides sufficient power, preferably one rated at 5 volts. Low-power chargers and damaged cables may prevent the battery from charging properly. Step 2. Use a wall outlet. Charging through a laptop, desktop, or USB hub may not provide enough power for the camera. Connect your GoPro directly to a wall charger and leave it connected for several minutes. If the charging light appears, the issue was likely caused by insufficient power from the original USB source. Step 3. Clean the charging port. Dust, sand, lint, and other debris can block the connection between the cable and the charging port. Carefully inspect the USB-C port and remove any visible debris using compressed air or a soft brush. Avoid inserting sharp metal objects into the port as they can damage the internal contacts. Step 4. Reinsert the battery. Sometimes the camera fails to recognize the battery correctly. Turn off the GoPro, remove the battery, wait about 30 seconds, and reinstall it. Reconnect the charger and check whether the charging indicator appears. This simple reset often resolves temporary battery detection issues. Step 5. Test without the battery. If your GoPro uses a removable battery, remove it and connect the camera directly to a charger. If the camera powers on without the battery installed, the battery may be defective or unable to hold a charge. This test helps determine whether the problem is caused by the battery or the camera itself. Step 6. Try a different battery. Lithium-ion batteries lose capacity over time and may eventually stop charging altogether. If you have another compatible GoPro battery, install it and connect the charger. If the second battery charges normally, the original battery likely needs replacement. Step 7. Force restart the GoPro. A software glitch can occasionally interfere with charging functions. Press and hold the power button for about 10 seconds until the camera restarts. After the restart, reconnect the charger and check if the charging light turns on. A forced reboot can clear temporary system errors. Step 8. Update the firmware. Outdated firmware can sometimes cause battery and charging-related issues. Connect the camera to the GoPro Quick app and install any available updates. Firmware updates often include bug fixes that improve charging reliability and battery management. Step 9. Deeply charge battery. If the battery has been completely drained or stored for a long period, it may take several minutes before charging indicators appear. Leave the GoPro connected to a wall charger for at least 30 minutes before checking again. Deeply discharged batteries sometimes require extra time to begin charging. Step 10. Use external battery charger. If your GoPro battery is removable, an external charger can help identify the source of the problem. If the battery charges normally in the external charger, the issue may be related to the camera's charging circuit or USB-C port rather than the battery itself.